What's up, y'all? This is Duana, aka Glamazon 1026, and today I'm coming to you with a nail tutorial. Yes, I know I haven't done these in probably over a year, but I've decided to try something new and do gel extensions, so I'm going to show y'all today. So right now I'm just cleaning up my cuticles, making sure that all that dead skin is removed so that these nails can bond very nicely to my natural nail. I'm using my Melody Susie Scarlet drill with a cuticle bit. I don't even know what the name of this cuticle bit is. It's just one that I use to clean my cuticles. Now I'm going to buff my natural nails to take off any excess shine. This is really important because, again, this helps adhere the gel extension to your nail. Alright, now I'm just going to clean off all the excess dust with this lint-free wipe and some acetone. I'm going to use the All Chem Soft Gel Soak Off Full Cover Tips, and these are in the extra long because, you know, I like my nails long. I'm also going to be using the Beatles Gel Extension Kit. It comes with this own little nail light, nail glue, and it comes with tips, but the tips weren't long enough, so I decided to get the All Chem tips. Right now I'm scuffing up the inside of the tips, and again, this is all just to help adherence. So prior to this, I went and I sized all my nails and I have them laid out on my lint-free mat, but I didn't show you guys that process. Now we're going to put on some nail dehydrator and nail primer. Again, this is to help with the adherence of the nail. One thing you do not want for these gel extensions is for them to pop off. So nail dehydrator, it helps to draw out the excess oils of the nail. And then the primer I'm going to be using is the Gelish Pro Bond. Alright, so the first thing I'm going to do with this nail is I'm going to coat it in a light coat of the nail glue that I got from Beatles, and I'm going to flash cure it. So flash curing is like 10 to 15 seconds under the nail lamp, and this just helps the layer get tacky. Then I'm going to put some of that nail glue into the bottom of the tip or the full cover tip, and then I'm going to put an excess amount at the bottom so that there's no bubbling when I am placing it on the nail. So starting from the cuticle, I'm going to press upward and then take a gel brush to wipe off any excess glue so that it doesn't get stuck on my fingers when I go to cure it. One thing I think that the Beatles kit could have included was a nail clip so that you can clip that on the nail and the nail doesn't move. Otherwise it can get kind of cumbersome trying to get the glue off of your nail while keeping the nail as taut as possible. So I'm just going to do that for all the rest of the nails. What I started doing was like curing it for like 2 to 3 seconds so that it can get like firm, and then taking it out and wiping off the excess glue if the glue wasn't hard enough. Sometimes the glue got too hard and I had to file it off like you see me doing here, because you know you don't want that excess glue on your skin. And then I'm just filing off that glue that I did not get up. This technique is really easy, but it can get messy very quickly. So now I'm just going to file the nails into the shape I want. I would like them to be tapered square, so I'm just taking off a little bit at the sides and the top. So even though I showed you guys my other hand, I wanted to show you this hand because, or this finger in particular, because I put it on straight and I don't know what happened, but it got crooked. Oh, this is what happened. I couldn't get the light under it correctly. And then when I did get it under the light, it was so crooked. I had to cut it off and soak it off. And look at that. Look how crooked that nail is. So I just cut that off and I did it over. Anyway, now I'm going to go around the cuticles with this, I forgot what this bit is called, but it's just like the filing bit, the sander bit maybe. I'm gonna go around the cuticles, clean those up a little bit, and then I'm going to run this all over the nail to give it to take off the gloss basically. Taking off the shine on these tips will help the nail polish to adhere so that you don't get any chipping. Now I'm going to buff out all of the scratches to make sure that the top of the nail is smooth, and then get ready for painting. Usually after I buff, I go and wash my hands in some warm water to take off any excess dust so that when I begin painting, it's not lumpy and gritty because there's dust left on my fingers or hands. Right here, I'm using the Beatles Foundation Gel. This is the base coat. I'm going to put a light layer on all of the nails and then stick them in the lamp for 60 seconds. Then I'm going to use this Born Pretty gel color. It's like a clear nude brown. It doesn't have a name. And I'm going to put 2 coats of that on the nails, and I'm going to cure each of them for 60 seconds. Now I'm going to use the Poochie's Nail Foil Gel. I'm going to put that down on my nails, and I'm going to cure that for 30 seconds in the lamp. And then when you're finished, it is sticky and tacky on the top, and you just put the nail foil down, whatever you want to do, press it down on the finger and like just make sure that it's having the contact points that you want, and then pull that off, and then you'll have your design stuck on your nail. See? Look at that, so pretty. So after I did all 5 fingers, I'm going to use the Stick Quick base from Poochie's Nails, and then I'll cure that for another 30 seconds. And this just helps lock in the foil gel. It helps it to not get worn off. And then finally, when we're finished that, we're just going to give a top coat, making sure that I cover everything up so that it will not be sticky, making sure that I take it off of my cuticles so that it doesn't get dried onto or cured onto my cuticles, and gives you a nice look. Cure that. I think I cured that for 90 seconds. And then this is the finished look. Nice and clean, but really like dazzling. I got this done for my vacation. I thought that it would look really pretty like when I was in the water and stuff, and it actually really did. Alright guys, that is it. That's all I have for you. If you like this video, be sure to give me a thumbs up down below. It is the easiest and least expensive way to support this channel, and it helps get my content to people who like what you like. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, click the notification bell so that you can be part of the Glam Fam and know exactly when I upload. Also, don't forget to follow me on Instagram, Twitter, Pinterest, TikTok, all major platforms at Glamazon1026, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.